Hello friends, welcome to IAS ABHIYAN's quick revision prelim series. Today we will discuss on snow leopard population assessment in India. The context is recently the Union Environment Ministry has released the snow leopard population assessment in India at the 4th steering committee meeting of the Global Snow Leopard and Ecosystem Program. What is Global Snow Leopard and Ecosystem Program? It is an intergovernmental alliance of all the 12 snow leopard range countries. The snow leopard's habitat extends through 12 countries. They are Afghanistan, Bhutan, China, India, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Nepal, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. So, Global Snow Leopard and Ecosystem is an intergovernmental alliance of all the 12 snow leopard range countries. About snow leopard. Snow leopards are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN and is under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. They are listed in Appendix 1 of the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, that is CITES, and the Convention on Migratory Species. You have to remember that they are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN and is under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act, as well as they are listed in Appendix 1 of the CITES. In India, snow leopards are found in the Himalayan and Trans-Himalayan landscape spanning over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. There are some conservation efforts which is launched in India. The first is the Project Snow Leopard, which is a centrally sponsored program that aims to promote an inclusive and participatory approach towards conservation, which involves the fully local communities. Next is the Secure Himalaya, which is a project funded by Global Environment Facility of United Nations Development Program. The program, that is Secure Himalaya, aims on conservation of high altitude biodiversity and reducing the dependency of local communities on the natural ecosystem. This project is now operational in 4 snow leopard range states, namely Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Sikkim.